What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreaming.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Guys, I have the best job in the world most days. Today is one of those days. Let's jump into what I have installed and talk about it because you're gonna be on your way in about 2 minutes. So stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, SHEIN Wig. I shop at SHEIN. I buy everything from SHEIN, from household to clothes to eyelashes to glue to hair products to wigs. Yes, I'm a fan. When I tell you I love them, I mean that. Also, my top is from SHEIN as well, so I figured I'll just do SHEIN from head to toe. You might have seen this top already. Let's talk about what I have installed today.
What's your type?
Today what I have installed is a 28-inch 6x4 glueless straight wig. This is classified as their already wig, so it means everything is already done. Okay, it comes pre-plucked with pre-bleached tiny baby knots. Today we did a fresh out of the box install and I literally installed this wig in under a minute.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me.
We're gonna put this wig on in 2 seconds. This is gonna be the shortest review. As you can see, fresh out of the box, you know, the SHEIN tag still attached. What we are going to do is a few things because I know SHEIN and I know their wigs. I'm gonna spray some lace tint, okay, on the lace. SHEIN, can we do a wig get ready with me and like a full outfit next time, please? Come on. This is why SHEIN is my plug. Wow, this wig is beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, 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 wow. Hot comb because, yeah. That's it. You could wear her just like that, but of course we're gonna do, you know, a 2-minute install, okay? So put your timer on. And it's so long too. That is some silky hair. Wow, 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 wow. Baby. Anybody who's sleeping on SHEIN, they're dumb. Look at that, you guys. There's no work required. We don't need no glue. Even though it came with all of these products, like I have the SHEIN products like the glue, the wax stick. You don't need none of that for this wig because you just put her on and you're ready to go. All you need to do is just spray something on the lace. That's what I did. I sprayed something on the lace and that's it. Try some of this wax stick. Well, how does this work? Oh, too much. This is some really nice hair, you guys. Like, I'm not even holding you. Like, this is nice. Okay, so this is the shortest wig install ever. If you want a beautiful long wig, okay, look how long she is, 28 inches. Run over there. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Baby, you don't need no baby hairs for this wig. You don't need to pluck her. You don't need to cut her. She is 100% ready to wear. It doesn't get any easier than that. You could literally take this wig with you and put her on in the car and then you can go to work or your function. Like, I'm just doing this because I'm extra, but definitely does not need it. Wow, so pretty and so silky. I'm impressed.